Imagine building a masterpiece in your head, brick by perfect brick, only to realize you're actually building your own prison. You aren't a high achiever, you're a hostage. Today, we break the cage. Have you noticed how the more you try to make something perfect, the less you actually get done? You spend 3 hours on a single email, agonizing over a semicolon as if your life depends on it. You restart a project because the first step didn't feel right, discarding hours of work in an instant. You polish, you tweak, and you refine until the original spark, that raw, beautiful energy, is completely gone. To the world, you look like the gold standard, a person with high standards and a keen eye. But inside, it feels like a death sentence. Every task is a mountain, and every mistake is a moral failing. You aren't working anymore. You are performing for an audience that doesn't even exist. Is your perfectionism a badge of honor, or is it a sophisticated form of self-sabotage? Stick with me until the end, because we're going to peel back the dark side of the best. We will explore why your pursuit of flawlessness is actually the very thing keeping you small. You are stagnant, you are exhausted, and you are running out of time to be yourself. It's time to stop hiding behind the shield of perfection and look at the truth. In psychology, this is adaptive perfectionism turned sour. You believe if you look perfect, you can avoid judgment. Perfectionists don't struggle with laziness, they struggle with the fear of a C grade. To you, good is a failure. You've trained your brain to ignore 99% of your success to focus on the 1% of perceived failure. A healthy person misses a day and goes back. A perfectionist decides the whole week is contaminated. When you hold yourself to an impossible standard, you unconsciously project that on the people you love. The Stoics suggest an internal standard. Excellence is doing your best with what you have right now. The paradox is simple. To achieve great things, you must give yourself permission to do them poorly at first. Trade perfect for done. A finished, flawed project is more powerful than a perfect dream. Be like stone, rough, uneven, and scarred, but absolutely unshakable in the face of the storm. Your value isn't in avoiding mistakes, it's in moving through them. Life isn't a masterpiece to be edited, it's a draft to be lived. If you're ready to stop hiding, hit subscribe. Comment below with one thing you'll finish today, imperfectly.